Okay, so as we were saying, line 1 and line 2, if we compare them, you want to make sure you compare their absolute values. Line 1 is steeper than line 2. They both have a negative slope, but line 1 will be a little steeper. Here we can compare the slopes pretty quickly. -4/7, +5/9. In order to compare them, I'm going to change -4/7 to the absolute value of 4/7 if I want to talk about which is steeper. So 4/7, 5/9, which is bigger? We'd have to figure out what they are with the same denominator. 7 times 9, 63. 4 times 9 is 36. 9 times 7, 63. 5 times 7 is 35. That's pretty darn close, huh? But the 36 out of 63 is a little bit bigger than 35/63. So this is a steeper line, just comparing their steepness, not their direction. This is a negative slope going this way. This is a positive slope going this way. This one's just a little steeper, okay? This one, I can't tell what the slope is. So I'm going to subtract x to the other side with a -28, and I'll divide by 4. That'll give me a -1/4 x minus 7. Okay, -1 divided by 4 is -1/4. -28 divided by 4 is -7. I see this has a slope of -1/4. Let's see what this other one has a slope of. Same type thing. I'm going to have to get that x to the other side and divide by -2. -1 divided by -2 is a half. -16 divided by -2 is 8. So this has a slope of a half, -1/4, a -1/4 slope. Let's see, I'm going through -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I have a -1/4 slope, I go down 1/4. Okay, but the steepness, I would say the steepness is 1/4. Okay, that if we want to say, we're just comparing it, so we want to compare their absolute values. 1/2 x plus 8, I'm going to go up to 8, and it has a slope of a half. I'm going to go down 1 over to the left 2, which still makes it a positive slope, but I can kind of see this is a little steeper than the 1/4. Okay, this is a steeper slope. It's a bigger number. Okay, the bigger absolute value has the steeper slope. Parallel and perpendicular lines, if you have parallel lines, they have the same slope, just a different y-intercept. They go through the y-axis at a different spot, but they have the exact same slope. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slope. Okay, so in other words, if my slope is 2/3, the slope of the perpendicular line will be the opposite of that, so it'll be negative, and then it'll be the reciprocal 3/2. Those are opposite reciprocals. Okay, so line 1 here has a slope. Again, I have to take that and put the 6x to the other side. Subtract 6x, divide by a -2. -6 divided by -2 is +3. 10 divided by -2 is -5. Slope is 3. This one, I'll take, and subtract x. Subtract 3x to the other side with the -5. Divide by a -1. So, yep, these are parallel lines. They have the same slope, right? Different y-intercepts. One of them's going through -5, one of them's going through +5, but the same slope. Those are parallel lines. These are perpendicular lines. Okay, 1/2, -2. Remember, -2 could be written as -2/1. So these are perpendicular lines. The last one, I don't know. I'll have to find the slope of this. I'll subtract my y's. -4 minus 5. Subtract my x's. Looks like I get -9/5. Here I subtract my y's. Negative 2 minus 7, that's negative 9. Subtract my x's. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. Negative over negative is positive. These are neither. They're nothing, right? These are neither. They're not parallel. They're not perpendicular. Okay? So parallel will have the same slope. Perpendicular will have opposite reciprocal slopes. And sometimes they're neither. They don't have, they're just two lines that intersect, but they're not perpendicular. Okay? All right, so you just look at the slopes and compare them for that. The distance that a toy boat travels is graphed below. Okay, after 2 seconds, it's 1 foot away. After 6 seconds, it's 3 feet away. What's the rate at which the boat traveled? Well, how fast it's traveling is how many feet per second it's going. Okay, so that's his slope. That's the rate. At 2 seconds, he was 1 foot. At 4 seconds, he was 2 feet. Let's see, that's up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. It's a half a foot per second. Every second, it gets a half a foot more. Okay, do you see that? Okay, at 3 seconds, I was at 1.5. At 2 seconds, I'm at 1. 3 seconds, I'm at 1.5. 4 seconds, 2. 5 seconds, 2.5. 6 seconds, 3. Okay, a half a foot per second. That's what slope is. It's a rate of change of the y, how many feet per seconds. Okay, a half a foot per second. Which one's that, eh? A half a foot per second is the rate of change. Okay, guys? So try the Socrative or Schoology, I think. Yes, sorry, Schoology assignment, and I will see you in class.